So I'm Diana Bovin,
I'm Scott.
and we're fortunate enough to have a real beautiful spot in the county to live. So we really like being outdoors and taking walks down to the river. We had a lot of rain last spring. We didn't think much of it. And one morning I got up and I went down in the basement before I went off to work. I stepped down into the basement floor, and then I stepped back up thinking, this is a dream. Am I still sleeping? There was basically a lake in the basement.
So everything was floating.
Pretty surreal.
It was a
very
weird scene.
surreal. We kind of panicked. First people I thought of was W.E. Brown to call. Called right away, and I said, Jennifer, we need help. And she said, if you need help, we're going to be there.
And we remember her name to this day
Yeah.
because she was great.
She was so calm. She was wonderful on the phone, just calmed me down. I was pretty hysterical by that point. Right, less than an hour, W. Brown truck pulled up in the driveway, and Kenny and Cameron came out.
Hooked up a hose in the pump, and boom, boom, boom. They were working really quick.
They worked really hard, and I think we said something like, well, gosh, we can probably take it from here. And he said, well, we're not going to leave you like this. We're going to make sure that everything's fine. So that was the morning and the day, but then it was everything that happened after that. We have to make sure this doesn't happen again.
I said, I suspect that right here is where the French drain has been overwhelmed because it was still standing water down there. He says, yeah, failed French drains happen all the time. And I said, I think we could break into it right over here behind this window. He said, that sounds like a good plan. And he came back with a big backhoe, and he did a good job of cleaning it up as much as possible and putting our driveway back in order so that we could use it without getting mud everywhere. He was very conscientious.
I think also it was nice that he was willing to hear what Scott had to say.
Yeah, we worked
and not
together. That was
not
what was nice.
And again, Kenny was amazingly calm through the whole thing, and that is just such a really important trait, I think, when you see someone like us that were kind of panicked. It felt like it was above and beyond what we could have expected.